Hello everyone and welcome back to Fig5 Adventures. Today we are at the Vero Beach Air Show where the Blue Angels will be performing. Say hi everyone.
Hi.
Today is Sunday and actually it's Cinco de Mayo, so happy Cinco de Mayo. So stay tuned. You guys want a picture with us? Oh, that's cool.
Look up there. See him?
All right, so they got a C-17 Globemaster here. Huge aircraft. I've actually flown in one of these and it was a really awesome experience during my time in the military. But I honestly regret not joining the Air Force after experiencing some of their benefits. So right now we are in the C-17 Globemaster. This is the cargo hold. The line that you see is to get in the cockpit, which is up top. Okay.
Art Show Memorial Showmanship Award has developed many long-range maneuvers not seen before. In a series of high alpha rolls down the line, this MXS, a custom-built, all-carbon fiber, American-made masterpiece. It weighs in at some 12. During today's performance, Rob will be experiencing more than 12 positive G's, shoving him into the cockpit at 9. seatbelt and everyone should fly. I believe the time of the airplane should provide everyone with freedom. Jack dream alive, break the code for only to eliminate the right answer.
From Baltimore, Maryland, Commander Thomas Zimmerman.
Woo! Here they come. What do you guys think?
That's them talking.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Blue Angel Delta Breakout.
Flying Blue Angel number 3, the left wingman from Georgetown, Texas, Lieutenant Wes Perkins.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for the Blue Angels! 24 Vero Beach Air Show. You all have been a terrific air show audience, and we thank you for sharing your day with each and every one of us here at the Vero Beach Regional Airport. We'd like to say thanks to Air Show Director Joel Shear, Air Show Board President Ron Lucas, our ground boss.
Alright, so we're finishing up at the air show now. All the planes are getting ready to leave. So we're staying put, watching a couple of them leave. This one has his engines going. There's the family. Hi guys! Everybody's at a safe distance while we watch a couple of these planes take off. That's beautiful. There he goes.
Oh, he said come over.
Go.
Yeah.
Kids are going over to look at the plane now. We're getting a special treat here. Here's one of the commercial airlines. I don't know if that's Breeze Airways coming in. It is. They just landed. You've still got some sports cars that are on the runway.
I was sitting there all ready to go. Come on
Well,
out.
let's go. Where are we going?
Serious.
Anywhere.
Grand Bahama? Sound all right?
Anywhere with less people.
Turks and Caicos?
That'll work. That's cool, guys, isn't it?
That's awesome.
So we got a nice little treat thanks to Travis, who showed us his plane, which is sitting right there. That's his buddy taking off. Such a cool experience. It pays to stick around. Awesome experience. If you guys haven't ever attended an air show, I highly recommend it. Even if it's once in a lifetime, it's definitely worth the visit. There's the sheriff's office helicopter getting ready to take off.
I spoke to the back. Hey, that's the one that took the picture, right?
Yep. Alright guys, that's it for the 2024 Vero Beach Air Show hosting the Blue Angels. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hey, you guys had a good time?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part?
I like when the Blue Angels were flying.
Yeah?
Yes.
What was your favorite trick?
I think when like the two, they kept coming in at each other, but then they dodged each other.
Oh yeah, when they come
Yes.
at each other like that? That was pretty cool.
That was cool.
What about you?
I liked all of it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What about the Blue Angels tricks? What was your favorite?
I like the one where like they were all together and then they split up.
Yeah, that was pretty cool.
Yeah.
Pretty neat stuff. It just shows how much they practice, huh?
Yeah.
What about you, Joe? Had a good time?
I had a blast.
First time seeing it in person?
Yes, it was awesome. I highly recommend it.
What do you think about getting scared by that surprise buzz over that they did right at the beginning?
Oh yeah, that was a little bit hard. Make your heart be a little faster.
Yeah, it caught me off guard. What about you, Jazz? You have fun? You have fun? Yeah? Tired? All right, you guys. Thanks for watching. Fig5 Adventures out. Take care until next time.